Hello everyone, my name is Benjamin and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share with you a project that I've been working on for the last weekend. A music recommendation tool that I built using OpenAI GPT-3. So, what exactly is it? Essentially, it is a tool that takes into account your mood, personality, or desired emotion to recommend you a custom soundtrack for you. I realized that many music apps are based on generic algorithms that don't know take into account our unique preference and emotions. That's why I decided to use GPT-3 to create something that really suits the individual user. The building process was definitely a challenge, but also a lot of fun. I spent hours researching and experimenting with GPT-3 and the Spotify API to find the perfect formula. I also wanted to make sure the user interface was easy to use and easy to navigate. But enough about the technicalities. Let's talk about how it can benefit you. Imagine being able to find the perfect soundtrack for your morning commute, your workout, or even your study session. With this tool, you can do just that. It's like having a personal DJ at your fingertips.
To use the tool, we write in our browser music.bensounds.com. Then we will see the main page and click on the button that says Start Now. So now we can describe our emotions, personality, or desired emotion. I'm going to say that I'm sad and I want to listen to rap.
Can you take the pain away? It's what I'm living with every day. Stick a needle in my arm.
I play love games, but no, I'm not a cheater. She hate it when I sip codeine, I'm a leaner.
I am going to describe the personality of a man who was born in the 80s.
And the best part? It is completely free to use. I built it as a passion project and I want as many people as possible to be able to enjoy it. So there you have it, my revolutionary music recommendation tool that I built in just one weekend. I hope you give it a try and let me know what you think in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.